Hello friends, pregnancy is a dream come true event for every married couple. If you are about to plan your pregnancy in next few months, then this video is important for you. In this video, I am going to share 5 important tips which will help you to achieve your target of healthy pregnancy. Healthy pregnancy needs healthy body, and how to achieve this healthy body. In this video, I am going to explain the same thing. Hello friends, this is Dr. Rupesh Amale and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel over here. So let us understand what are those 5 important tips, and in that the first important tip is balanced diet. Before planning pregnancy, at least 3 months prior to the pregnancy, we need to have a good balanced diet. Balanced diet means equal quantity or the portions of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in your diet. In our day-to-day life, we are not bothered about those kind of micro and macronutrients, but during planning pregnancy, you need to concentrate on your diet. And in that, more or the special focus should be given on your protein intake. At least 4 grams per day protein if you are taking, it will help you to achieve the target of easy, healthy and natural pregnancy. As well as it will help you to repair the nutritional deficiencies during the gestational period and after delivery also. So maintain your balanced diet before planning your pregnancy. Second important tip is regular exercise. Many of the people are doing exercise but off and on mode. So before planning pregnancy, you need to have a regular exercise. This regular exercise will improve the blood circulation towards the reproductive organs of our body, as well as it will help you to avoid the discomforts during the pregnancy. This regular exercise will improve the chances of getting vaginal normal delivery, as well as it will improve the chances of postpartum complications. So regular exercise will definitely help husband and the wife to achieve the target of healthy pregnancy. Third important tip is prenatal vitamins. Before planning pregnancy, both the partner, male and the female, should have good vitamins in their body so that the purest form of sperms and the ovum should come out. So female partner can take folic acid, iron and calcium supplementation as a prenatal vitamins, and male partner should have good antioxidants to have a good sperm count, semen volume and good liquefaction time. Fourth important tip is addiction. Many of the people are having addictions like smoking, alcohol, caffeine, tea. So before planning pregnancy, at least 6 months prior, you should avoid or control your addiction. This type of smoking and alcohol will deteriorate the quality of the sperm and the ovum, ultimately the chances of getting healthy pregnancy. As well as this smoking and alcohol have ill effects over our liver and the lungs, as well as it is going to induce n number of complications in the developing embryo. And fifth important tip is detox your body. At least 3 months prior to planning your pregnancy, you should detox your body, and here is the role of Ayurveda. Ayurveda has a wonderful system of detoxification named Panchakarma. In that Panchakarma, mainly consisting of Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Nasya and Raktamokshan. All these type of 5 Panchakarmas can be done over a male and the female partner to detox your body. And this detoxification process will nourish the body and will give the healthy sperm and healthy ovum, ultimately the healthy pregnancy. So in this way, if you consider all these 5 important tips, you will definitely achieve healthy pregnancy in due course of the time. If you like this video, please pass it to more and more needy people. Don't forget to mention your comment below the video, and if you want to listen more and more medical updates from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.